Where are you from?
I'm from Bangladesh.
Okay.
Uh,
And you speak English?
yeah, I learned English by using this platform. So I try to talk with.
Using this platform?
Really, yeah. Where are you from?
UK.
You.
England.
Yeah, it's really a beautiful country. My dreamful country, UK.
Your dream country is UK?
Yeah, my dreamful country, really. The curly hair is making me so embarrassed. So beautiful looking.
Wow. Really?
Yeah, honestly, really, I'm really being fond of your hair. Anyway, what do you do for life?
I live in here in UK. I'm a count.
Accountant? No.
Yes.
Oh, it's a beautiful job, really. You don't have. Oh, it's Sunday. I forgot. I was really so frustration. Whole the day. That's why everything goes out from my head. Work
How
today?
old are you?
I'm 29.
Sorry?
You? 29.
Me. Oh my god, it's not nice to ask a girl. I have 37.
No, I can't believe this.
It's writing on the profile.
Yeah, but I can't believe this because you are not looks like 37. Nobody will say it is.
Thank you.
Well, honestly,
Okay
really.
then.
Look,
Yes.
I thought you will be around 30, like not more than 30, but might be below 30. But what are you saying now that you are 37?
Okay, I will change my age in 30.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Important how I'm feeling.
Yeah. What are you doing now?
What I'm doing now?
Yeah.
Oh, I just enjoy my coffee.
Oh, you like coffee with sugar or without sugar?
It is milk with a little snack.
With a little sugar. I do use this little bit, but mostly I like to have a coffee without sugar.
Ah, with sugar you ask me. Or cigar. Sugar or cigar? What else?
Yeah, okay.
What's your name?
My name is Gazi Nahian.
Oh, Gazi.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And your name is Sophia?
Sophia.
Oh,
Yes.
it's a Bengal. We have a lots of female whose name is Sophia here in my country. So,
Oh, nice.
yeah. You know what? I'm just making a plan.
A plan.
I'm just making a plan. Like I'm trying to learn English properly because if any traveler like to come in Bangladesh, I'm just really so interested to be their interpreter if they want.
Oh,
That's why,
translator.
yeah,
Yes.
that's why I need to practice more and more with the British, Australian, American, and Canadian native speaker.
Oh, same like me. When I want to practice Spanish. Yo quiero hablar español. Más y más y mucho más.
Gracias. Hola.
I love Spanish. Hola. Sí.
But you know the Spanish, okay? But how do you know the Spanish?
I was learning on the school. At school.
Oh, you learn in the school, okay. Oh, it's very nice. It's really good fun to learn different language.